Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the microplastic detection using Python. So this will be the project folder and this will be the training code. Let's open it. Now this will be the complete training code. Let's scroll down. Okay, let's close it. This will be the document. Like microplastic pollution is a critical environment issue affecting the marine ecosystem and human health. Detecting microplastic effectively and accurately is essential for the monitoring and mitigating their spread. This project focuses on leveraging the YOLO V8 object detection model to identify the microplastic from image dataset. The model deployment on a Flask web applications enable user-friendly interactions and real-time predictions. Let's close that. And this will be the dataset, training code, training folder. Let's open the images. So these are all the images. 577 images are there in that folder. Let's open any of the image. So these are small microplastic. We have to detect that particular microplastic things. So let's go back, open the web app. This will be the model, and let's open the main code. This will be the Python code. So in that we are using the Flask web framework to create the interface part and integrate with that particular model so that it can identify the particular microplastic things. You can upload a PNG image, JPG, and JPEG image. Okay. If there's any error, then it will show error processing the image, that particular name, and error occur while processing the image. Or if they enter the invalid type, then it will show invalid type. Only PNG, JPG, and JPEG images are allowed. Okay, let's close that. These are the static folder. In that we are using for the front end image, that particular image. Let's go back. So this will be the HTML code, display and index. Okay, this will be the complete HTML and CSS code. This will be the index code. Let's close that. Now open the terminal here and just run python space main.py file. Py. Enter. After it will process the code and generate one URL. Then you click on that particular URL. So it will open the web page. Here we have to choose any image from dataset. So let's choose that particular image. Then click on upload options. So it will identify the microplastics things with the accuracy 0.89, 0.90, 0.91. And it will show the model training summary like box precision 79.6%, box recall 64.3%, mean average precision. And okay, let's upload any other image. Let's click on desktop, then microplastic detections. Then this will be the dataset folder. Let's open the training folder, images folder. So let's select any of the image and click on the upload button. So it will identify the small microplastic detections, box precision 79.6% and box recall 64.3. So let's upload any other image. Click on back button and click on the choose file. So let's upload any other image. Like I'm uploading that particular image. Then click on the upload button. So it will identify all those microplastic things and will show with the model training summary. Let's click on back button. Let's upload any other image. Uploading that particular image. Then click on the upload button. So it will identify the all the microplastic things with the model training summary. Let's go back. Now choose another file. choose another image from different folder. Then click on upload button. So it will identify all the microplastic things. Okay, this will be the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching under project ideas or project code, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in descriptions. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.